In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to make background transparent in Figma. Whether you're preparing assets for a website, a presentation, or a logo on top of an image, a transparent background keeps your design clean and adaptable. I'll walk you through the exact steps along with a few helpful tips so your export looks exactly the way you expect. First, open Figma and load the file or frame you want to export. Make sure you have the correct frame, component, or shape selected. The background you see in your final image is controlled by the fills on that selection. If your canvas looks checkered, that's just Figma's way of previewing transparency. What matters is the fills on your selected object. Now, look to the right-hand panel and find the fill section. Click on Fill to reveal the color picker. The key to transparency here is opacity. You can either set the alpha value in the color picker to 0% or drag the opacity slider all the way down. If you want the background fully transparent, bring it to 0%. If you're after a subtle glassy effect instead, try a lower value like 10 to 20%. Knowing that it will show through whatever sits behind it after export. There's also an alternative that achieves the same result. Instead of lowering opacity, you can simply hide or remove the fill. Use the visibility toggle next to the fill to turn it off, or delete the fill entirely. With no fill applied to the frame or shape, Figma treats that area as transparent. This is especially handy if you have multiple fills and want to quickly switch between a solid background and transparency. When you're ready to export, scroll down in the right panel to the export section and click Export. Confirm you're exporting the correct selection, usually the frame, so you capture exactly what you need without any extra canvas. For a transparent export, choose PNG as your format. PNG supports transparency by default, and it's the safest choice for most design workflows. SVG and PDF can also preserve transparency if that suits your needs, but avoid JPEG for this purpose. JPEG does not support transparency and will replace transparent areas with a solid color, usually white. If your exported image still looks opaque, double check that no other shapes or backgrounds are sitting behind your design inside the frame. Only the parts without fills or with fill opacity set to 0% will come out transparent. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.